Hey guys, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and got a 2014 Jeep Wrangler that we're getting ready to put on the lot, and I just wanted to share it with you. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so here it is, silver 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Now this is unlimited, the unlimited trim Sahara. So you can see that right there. Now this Jeep, it has an automatic transmission, so a lot of people that prefer the automatic, man, this is a great one to take a serious look at. But it does have several aftermarket accessories that's been added to it. First of all are the headlights on the front, and you can see the light bar up on top, but also aftermarket lights on the tail lights on the back. I'll show you that here in just a moment. Do a quick walk around. Nice tires and rims on this thing. But you can see it's got the hard top on it. We'll go back here on the back, show you what the back of it looks like. Now I'm going to show you the glass will flip up and the hatch will open. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so here you can see the bottom part will actually open up just like a regular door handle right here. Let me go ahead and open the top, flip that top glass up. And there you go. It's literally that simple. Just lift it up. Now there is a lot of space back here. I wanted to show that to you. You do have the rear speaker back here, along with two nice overhead speakers. But let's go ahead and continue our walk around. Okay, we'll go over here on the driver's side and show you what we have over here. And we'll go ahead and get on the inside. Before I hop inside, I wanted to show you on the mirrors, they are heated, so that's going to be very nice come winter time. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Okay, you can see we've got black cloth interior, black door panels on this. You do have ample leg room in back, but let me show you the overhead while I'm right here. There you've got one speaker, second speaker, you've got lights up overhead, and let's go ahead and hop up front. Before we hop up front, let me go ahead and do a quick overview and just show you what it looks like from the outside. And obviously you do have the running boards on both sides. Okay, here we are inside. Just wanted to show you all the steering wheel, your instrument gauges up here. You can see the mileage as of this video, 91,591 miles. Now on your steering wheel, you do have your Bluetooth in this area here, connectivity and control. And you do have steering wheel controls for your cruise control right here, intermittent wipers. And we go over here to the main command center, working from top down. You've got audio interface right here, along with your radio player. Walk down, these are vents that will open up. And your window controls are right here in the center of your console. Climate control, and this is to control your mirrors left and right. You do have traction control, and then right down here you'll see your gear shift with the automatic, but right here is your selector to engage your four-wheel drive whenever you need that. But very nice. Two cup holders here, armrest with storage compartment. And that does open up. You do have a charging port that is right here for a 115. And turn around, you can actually see all the spacious room you have in your back seat area. But up here you do have latches for it does have a solid top to it. So there's your latches to remove that. But very nice Jeep. But that's it, guys. That's the walk around video of the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Aftermarket parts on this thing. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful Jeep. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443 with any questions. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, we'd be happy to do that for you. We've got financing for just about everyone up here, so potentially get you in this with no money down. All you need to do is call, ask, do a quick online application. We'll get you approved in no time. You can drive this thing home. But with that, I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.